We'll guide you through how to access Gmail on your laptop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com. You'll see the Gmail sign-in page. Enter your email address in the text box provided and click Next. Now, type in your password, making sure there are no typos, and click Next again. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password to recover it by following the prompts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox where you can see all your emails. You can also access other features like Sent Mail, Drafts, and Trash from the menu on the left side of the page. If you want to compose a new email, click on the Compose button, which is usually a red plus icon. This will open a new message window where you can enter the recipient's email address, subject, and the body of your email. Once you're done, hit the Send button to dispatch your email. To log out from your Gmail account, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Sign Out. This helps keep your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Remember, for a smooth experience, ensure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.